will make an English conversation video about
gestational hypertension in pregnant women in the second trimester.
Previously, let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Rahma as a midwife.
And my name is Nur Fendiani as a pregnant woman. Enjoy watching our video. Bye!
Afternoon, ma'am. Allow me introduce myself. I am midwife Aulia. May I know your full name is?
Good afternoon, midwife. My name is Miss Nuri.
Okay. Alright, Mrs. Nuri. Now I would like to complete your personal data first. How old you now?
I'm 25 years old.
Okay. Now I also want you to know your husband information. What is your husband name?
My husband name is Mr. Dani.
How old is your husband?
My husband is 27 years old, midwife.
Good. Which ethnic group do you and your husband belong to?
We are both Japanese.
What is your religion?
We are both Muslim.
Okay. What is the highest level of education you and your husband have completed?
We both have a bachelor degree.
Oh, very good. Do you work or are you homemaker?
I'm a housewife. As for my husband, he is a businessman.
For your residential address, where do you live?
We live at 12 Gunung Kidul Street.
Okay. What is your phone number that can be correct, ma'am?
My number and my husband number are the same, ma'am, which is the 0 8 1 2 9 0 4 0 9 4 0 3.
Okay. Alright. Thank you very much, Mrs. Nuri.
Alright, midwife.
Mrs. Nuri, how are you today? Is there anything I can help you?
Yes, midwife. I often feel dizzy lately.
Since when have you been experiencing the disease spell, ma'am?
For about 3 days. Days no, ma'am. Sometimes my vision gets blurry and at night I have trouble sleeping.
Oh, I see. It's your first pregnancy, correct?
Yes, midwife. This is my first pregnancy.
Oh, okay. How has your menstrual cycle been previously? Is regular or irregular? How many days does it usually last? And how is the menstrual flow?
Alhamdulillah, it is regular. According to my menstrual app, my cycle is every 29 days and usually lasts 5 days. The flow is somewhat thin and has a fishy smell.
Oh, do you remember the first day for your last menstrual cycle?
I remember, midwife. It was on June 7, 2025.
Okay. So that means the estimate due date is around April 14, 2026, right, ma'am? When did you first start having prenatal check-up and at how many weeks of pregnancy?
Yes, that's correct, midwife. I start my prenatal check-up at 4 weeks of pregnancy.
Alright. So how many times have you visited the midwife so far?
I had a check-up once when I was told I was pregnant, then at 18 weeks of pregnancy and now. So including this visit, total 3 times, midwife.
Okay, good. When did you first notice baby movement, mom? And how many times have you felt the movement in the last 24 hours.
And we're felt at 18 weeks. In the past 24 hours, the baby has moved about 16 times.
Wow, that's very good. Now I want to ask about your eating or drinking habits, Mom. How many times a day do you usually eat, and what kind of food do you have?
Alhamdulillah, my appetite has improved, ma'am. Unlike at the beginning of the pregnancy when I felt nauseous, now I eat 3 times a day. I usually eat rice, rice, vegetable, and fruit. For drinking, I finish 3 bottles of water, each 1 liter, ma'am.
Oh, do you have any complaint while or after eating or drinking something?
No, ma'am.
How about your bowel and urinary habits?
I have a bowel movement once a day and urinate 5 to 6 times, ma'am.
Okay, usually what do you do for daily activities?
I stay at home, ma'am. I sweep, cook, take a morning walk, and sometimes watch television.
Oh, at night, what time do you go sleep and wake up the next morning? Do you also take a nap during the day?
I sleep starting at 9 p.m. and I wake up at 5 p.m. ma'am. During the day, I take a nap for about an hour.
Alright, if that's the case, excuse me, Mom. Are you still having sexual relations with your husband during this pregnancy? If you don't mind me asking, how many times a week do you do it?
Yes, ma'am, about twice a week.
How many times a day do you bathe, change clothes, and change underwear?
I bath twice a day, change underwear 2 to 3 times, and also maintain hygiene in the intimate area.
That's very good. Do you have a story of illness like high blood pressure, diabetes, or infectious disease?
No, ma'am.
Do you immediate family? Are there any hereditary disease such as diabetes, hypertension, or cancer, Mom?
No, there aren't any, ma'am. But my husband has a twin in his family.
Oh, that's interesting. Does your husband or any family members smoke at home?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Have you ever liked or consumed herbal medicine or alcoholic drinks before?
Never, ma'am.
Do you have any food restriction, ma'am?
No, I eat everything, ma'am.
How do you feel now during your pregnancy with your first child?
I'm very happy with wife because this pregnancy has been eagerly awaited by you. I hope that you and the baby stay still healthy and everything goes smoothly until delivery.
Does your husband support and help you during this pregnancy, Mom?
Yes, ma'am. My husband always support and help me. Example, he always remind me to check up and ensure that I eat healthy food.
Oh, very good. Now I will examine your first demo.
Okay, ma'am.
your blood pressure is 140/90 and pulse 80. Temperature is 36 and respiratory 24 times per minute. Based on the result, your pregnancy is 22 weeks. It is a single and live fetus in the womb, but your blood pressure is a bit high. So this is considered gestational hypertension since you have no previous history of hypertension and it only occurred during this pregnancy month.
Oh yeah? Seriously, ma'am? It is dangerous?
It will be safe and managed well, but if left high continuously, is could affect the fetus. So you need to have regular check-ups, eat healthy, get enough rest. Also, get enough rest. Don't overwork yourself, and take the medication from the doctor. If you later experience a headache, blurred vision, sudden swelling in your face or hand, severe abdominal pain, or direct fetal movement, go directly to the midwife or hospital. Don't delay.
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Okay, come for a checkup again in a week on November 12. But if you have any complaint before that, you can come immediately.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you very much for the explanation.
You're welcome, Mrs. Nuri. Stay motivated, take care of your diet and rest, and hopefully your blood pressure will turn to normal soon.